Okay, now in pyrazole and imidazole, we will continue the structure of pyrazole and imidazole. So here we have seen all electron density and how the imidazole is more active compared to pyrrole or benzene. That one we have seen on this slide. So now we will go for next slide, the pK values of pyrazole and imidazole. There are two nitrogen atoms in both heterocycle. Okay, so one is NH hydrogen, which is at NH group, and atom at third position in imidazole, and in pyrazole you can see N single bond N here. Okay, and here we don't have N single bond N, but rather than so here we have to see what is the pK value of pyrrole and imidazole. So pyrazole and imidazole. So pyrazole, as you can see over here, so NH, okay, in both acidic, electronegative difference in between these two. So pK value 19.8 in pyrazole of this NH, hydrogen atom attached nitrogen, and in imidazole the pK value of this NH is 14. Next one, pK value of CH, okay, CH bond in presence of these two nitrogen atom in imidazole, the pK value of this CH is 33. Because that one is present in two nitrogen atom, and pK value of CH of pyrazole, all CH 345 CH, they are 35.9. Here in imidazole, the pK value of another nitrogen atom, which is in green color, that one is pK value is 6.9. Okay, so these values indicates the something different. So 6.9, 14.4, 33.7, all values are totally different from each other. So now we will see now protonated imidazole here. What is the protonated, what is the value, pK value of this NH or this NH? So it's 6.95. Okay, so here you can see NH value of in imidazole, normal in free imidazole, it's 14.4. That one is changed to 6.95. So this protonated imidazole becomes highly acidic. Okay, this molecule becomes highly acidic upon protonation. Okay, so we'll see one by one all these things. Now, as two nitrogen atoms are present in imidazole as well as pyrazole, we have to go for hybridization of each and every nitrogen atom, carbon atoms. So, first one we will see in case of imidazole. Imidazole is an aromatic heterocycle that has 6 pi electrons, okay, in a set of 5 p orbitals perpendicular to the plane of the ring. Okay, so here you can see imidazole is an aromatic heterocycle that has 6 pi electrons in a set of 5 p orbitals perpendicular to the plane of the ring. The p orbital on the NH, the p orbital on the NH, okay, p orbital on the NH formerly contributes 2 electrons to the pi system. Okay, so this NH is pyrrole like NaOH. On imidazole, one nitrogen atom which attached to the hydrogen atom, that one is pyrrole like NH, and in that one, on that nitrogen atom, the lone pair which is present on this nitrogen atom, that one is present in, okay, p orbital, and this lone pair which is present on this NH, it takes parts in the aromatic sextet. Okay, so the lone pair which is present on the pyrrole like nitrogen, that takes part in the aromatic sextet. Another nitrogen atom, okay, another nitrogen which is present in imidazole, another nitrogen atom which doesn't have NH bond, that one we can call that nitrogen atom is pyridine like nitrogen atom. Okay, so this nitrogen atom is pyridine like nitrogen atom. Lone pair is in sp2 orbital. Okay, here lone pair is in p orbital, on pyrrole like nitrogen, and on pyridine like nitrogen, lone pair is present in sp2 orbital, hybrid orbital, and that lone pair is not a part of aromatic sextet. So this is the difference in between these two nitrogen atom. Those are present in imidazole. Same thing we can implement in case of pyrazole. In pyrazole also, one nitrogen will be pyrrole like and another nitrogen will be pyridine like in pyrazole also. So note, all ring atoms are sp2 hybridized. Okay, all atoms are carbon, nitrogen, sp2 hybridized, and there six pi electrons in the 5p orbital perpendicular to the ring. Okay, so 6 pi electron in the 5p orbital. Okay, which are perpendicular to the ring. This Fulfills rule of aromaticity. The electron contribution to the pi system from each atom is indicated. Okay, so this is the structure of imidazole. Now, if we will see again, I have written over here in more this one. Both nitrogen are sp2 hybridized. This one is pyrrole like nitrogen. Okay, this lone pair is inside the ring, aromatic, not available for protonation. Okay, this lone pair is not available for protonation. This one involves in aromatic sextet. Now another nitrogen, this one is pyridine like nitrogen, and this lone pair is available for protonation, and this lone pair is present outside the ring. Okay, so how that one is present outside the ring? Because this p orbital, hybridized p orbital, this one is not taking part, or this is perpendicular to this remaining p orbital. Okay, so you can see these p orbitals, all p orbitals, they are parallel to each other. Okay, that's why it's easy to attain the aromatic sextet. Okay, and only this pyridine like nitrogen has this p orbital is perpendicular to this plane of this all these p orbitals. So that's why this lone pair is available for protonation. That's why this nitrogen is pyridine like nitrogen. Here you can see the nitrogen which is pyrrole like nitrogen, the p orbital which is present in the the lone pair which is present in the p orbital, and these are all are parallel to each other. So that one, due to that one, this one is taking part into the aromatic sextet. Okay, the same information I have given. The imidazole ring is aromatic. Both nitrogen are sp2 hybridized. The nitrogen attached to hydrogen n1 has the electron pair on p orbital. Okay, so then one electron pair present in p orbital perpendicular to the plane of the ring. Okay, this is the plane which is perpendicular to the plane of the ring. This electron pair forms the part of 6 electron aromatic cloud, and like in the case of pyrrole, is not available for protonation. The double bonded nitrogen N3. Okay, this is N3 double bonded C double bond N, double bond nitrogen N3. On the other hand, has electron pair on an sp2 hybrid orbital. Okay, this is sp2 hybrid orbital. This lone pair is present in sp2 hybrid orbital, which lies outside the ring, and thus does not form part of aromatic sextet. This electron pair is available for protonation of the thing. We'll see next part regarding the pyrazole structure.